your Excel file might be a security risk, and most companies don't realize it. Many organizations store critical business data inside Excel spreadsheets. Things like financial data, customer records, pricing models, payroll information, and operational metrics. But Excel security is frequently treated as an afterthought. Without proper safeguards, spreadsheets can be accidentally modified or intentionally manipulated. Files can also be shared freely, accessed by unauthorized users, or compromised through unsecured macros. The good news is, Excel security doesn't need to be overly complicated, but it does need to be intentionally designed, helping organizations protect sensitive data while keeping their spreadsheets usable. If your organization relies on Excel for important data, it may be time to evaluate your security posture. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to assess your Excel database security.